What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be doing a major cryptocurrency trading series update. I'm going to show you guys what I'm buying, what my balance is in my Binance account, and what the balance was last video as well. That was on January 6th, so it has been a couple weeks, so I thought it is a great time to do an update. And I'm actually up huge on some of the altcoins I bought in the last video, so I have some coins I'm very bullish on. I'll be showing you guys in this video as well, and then we will talk about what my plans are for the next couple weeks and beyond. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're very close to hitting 1,000 subscribers today, possibly by tomorrow, so I do appreciate you guys sharing the video, doing whatever you can to help the channel grow. Alright guys, so I have a huge update for you guys today. I haven't checked my balance on Binance since the last video, so this is going to be a total surprise to me as well, but I know for sure we're up pretty huge, getting very close to our goal of $100,000 that we started with only $10,000 at the beginning of summer. Maybe once I achieve that goal, I'll go for turning 100,000 into $1 million in this Binance account. So if you haven't already, I do recommend you guys sign up with Binance US. There is a link in the video description. And also you can sign up for Binance.com if you're outside of the United States. Links for both of those in the video description. It does give me small commissions, just a few cents here and there, so I do appreciate that, and it does allow me to do content more full time. So before we get started, I do want to give you guys a warning. The scammers are coming out in the masses right now, trying to take your cryptocurrency in any way they can. Be very careful in the YouTube comments. Don't use Telegram if you're new to cryptocurrency, because that's where scammers are going to target you the most, and WhatsApp as well. All of these are horrible for crypto scams right now. So in the comments, there will be people using my name and logo trying to scam you, giving you a phone number. That isn't me, so don't ever believe that. Don't ever contact a phone number from the YouTube comments. So also, I do want to let you guys know I am doing a cryptocurrency giveaway here right now for hitting 50,000 subscribers, which is funny because we're probably going to hit 100,000 today, and I will launch a second contest for 100,000 after this one is done. So there will be a Linktree link in the video description. You can get all my most important links here, and if you click the top link, it will take you to the current contest, which, as you guys can see, there's 8 days left. There's a lot of ways you could get extra entries, and tonight around 8 p.m. PST, I will be adding more entries at the bottom here to give you guys a chance to increase your odds of winning. There's going to be 13 winners of some pretty good prizes, and then the next one will be even bigger. So if you guys want to participate in that, follow the Linktree link in the video description. So a quick market update before we jump into Binance and I show you guys my balance and how much profit I've made since the last video. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are actually slightly in the green today. Definitely check out my video I just did a couple hours ago here. Some urgent crypto news, a few things that are holding the crypto space back, and why I think buying pressure will pick up if everything goes well in the next few days here. So that's some very important info on why a huge pump could be coming, but also a small dip could be coming out of this as well, depending on what the outcome is of this. I'm expecting everything to go smooth though, and the prices to start rising here within the next few weeks. And I do think 50,000 Bitcoin and 2,000 Ethereum is coming up very quickly, since we do have buying pressure continuing. We have more stimulus packages in the works, which is going to cause more demand to hold cryptocurrencies, at the same time cause inflation, which increases the price of cryptocurrencies alone. And that's because the buying pressure of your fiat currency US dollar is going down, so it requires more fiat currency to buy the same amount of cryptocurrencies. So I think you guys are going to be pretty shocked on what I'm going to be buying today. I definitely shocked myself with this, but I have a lot of proof to back this up on why I'm bullish on these coins I'm going to be buying. And I will be doing a follow-up video tomorrow morning as well, with more evidence and reasons why I'm buying these coins. So before we jump into my Binance account and I show you my current balance, let's discuss the balance from the previous video on January 6th here. If you guys didn't see this video, you can check it out on my channel. There is a playlist of every single trading video. Every single trade I've done in my Binance account has been documented in this trading series. So if you want to watch back from the beginning, you can. So as you guys can see in the previous balance here, I had around $65,000 total in my Binance US account, and you can see all the coins I'm holding here and the balances, USD value. So BNB was what I was holding primarily because I was expecting that to go up. It still hasn't had a huge price spike. I am still pretty bullish on that going up here in the near future, and I will be selling a good portion of that for other altcoins here soon, but I am going to hold out on that a little bit longer. Cardano ADA, we had $15,000 left, 42,000 ADA here. We actually bought Zcash in this video, which was a great move. We got 83 Zcash, and the price of that pretty much doubled in a very short period of time after I picked that up, and I think that still has some huge potential as well. All right guys, here we go for the big reveal of how much profit we've made. We're at $73,000 total balance when we did start with 10,000, but a quick disclaimer, we also started with 500 BNB. I do have to hold 500 BNB in my Binance account to get the better commissions on referrals, so we are going to subtract that amount from the total here just to get an accurate of how much profit we've had from the 10,000 we're trading. So that 500 BNB is now worth 22,700 average. So if we subtract that from around 73,000 balance, we have $50,000 balance from the 10,000 we started with, which is huge. That's a 5x we did since the beginning of summer. Pretty huge in my opinion. We've been catching some great trades, and we're definitely going to hit the goal of 100,000. We're halfway there now, so pretty huge since there hasn't been too many of these trading videos yet. So 500 of this BNB is for the higher commissions on referrals. The other 557 is what I'm day trading with. So I will be selling some BNB in this video, although I'm still waiting for a bigger pump that I do think is coming. I'm very bullish on BNB in general, and it really hasn't had a huge price rise yet compared to other top 10 cryptos. Cardano ADA is doing great since the last video. It actually briefly touched 40 cents, now correcting a little bit, but I do think ADA will be going up in general, leading towards Goguen mainnet. And then Zcash here has gone up huge as well. If comparing to this last video here, we had 5,500 USD worth of Zcash. That's now worth 8,700 average. So that's pretty huge profits. Still pretty bullish on Zcash as well. So Zcash has a smaller circulating supply than Bitcoin. There's only around 11 million ZEC in circulation. Only at $100 as well. So if demand really picks up for this could definitely have massive profit potential, only being at $1.1 billion. Comparing to other top 10 cryptos, this could move up massively if demand picks up here. At the peak of the last bull run, Zcash was $700. So I am in profit here with Zcash. So I am going to sell some for some other coins that I will be discussing as well, but I will be holding some still also because I do think it has potential to keep going up as well. And then I will be selling some Binance BNB and some ADA to pick up these altcoins. So before we jump into the trades and I show you guys what altcoins I'm buying and holding for the next couple weeks for highest potential profits, I do want to let you guys know that my recommended VPN has partnered with me to give me 10% off coupon for you guys. The coupon is just JRNY, all caps, and that'll work for 10% off on the 1 month deal or the 2-year deal. And if you do 2 years, you get a massive 70% off, and then you get another 10% off on top of that. So you're coming out to only a couple dollars per month paying for that. Great deal in my opinion, less than the cost of a single cup of coffee per month, and you can use this VPN on up to 10 devices. So if you guys want to sign up for this, there will be a link in the video description. This is great for security, and this has blazing fast speeds and other benefits that you can get from this. If you guys want to learn more about VPNs and the benefits, just Google that. So the first altcoin I'm going to be buying in this video that's bullish in the short term is going to be Litecoin. So I know you guys are probably shocked that I will be buying this, but I do think this has huge potential in the short term. And I will be doing a full video on Litecoin that will be coming out in the morning on why I'm so bullish on this in the short term. I do think there's massive potential here with it being a $10 billion market cap, one of the primary cryptos on PayPal. It's actually the cheapest option on PayPal. PayPal will be rolling out merchant payments in Q1, so in the next couple months. And with Litecoin being the cheapest option there, I do see a lot of volume coming to Litecoin and a lot of new holders. There's also a partnership with Cardano in effect as well called the Velvet Fork. Very interested in that and some other great things as well that are very bullish for short term. So I'm going to be buying Litecoin. The second altcoin I will be buying is going to be Cosmos Atom. which is currently at $10, and I do think this has massive potential as well. As you guys can see, it has gone up a lot recently, from around $6 all the way up to $10, so it is up huge, around a $2 billion market cap. I think this has huge potential though as well, with all the things they're working on, and I will discuss that in more in another video as well. So I will be buying a smaller amount of Cosmos. I'm much more bullish on Litecoin though, and I'm still very bullish on ADA as well as BNB. I think BNB has huge potential in the short term. That could really surge in price at any time. Alright guys, we're here on the Zcash USD pairing on Binance US. I really like the advanced layout here, the same as Binance.com now. The best layout in the crypto space in my opinion. So I am going to sell on market just for convenience of this video, for it to be instant, but normally I would sell on limit or buy on limit because you get it all at one rate, and you'll get cheaper fees on the trades as well. But just for convenience of this video, I will be selling 50% of my Litecoin on market here for USD. That'll be selling around 42 of my Zcash, and there we go, that went through, and I now have a USD balance of 4,478 and 42 Zcash left, which I will be holding because that could possibly be moving up more. And now we're going to be selling some Cardano to USD as well, since that's at a peak here, and this is a trading series. As you guys know, I'm very bullish on ADA in general for 2021, and I do have a long-term bag. That's the majority of my ADA bag that's in staking. So this is a small percent of my ADA bag, and this is a trading series, so I am trying to flip profits. I may buy back into ADA at some point to get even more coins at a good opportunity buy-in. So while ADA's at a peak here for USD, I will be selling some on the markets, and we'll be buying some Litecoin with that. So I'm going to sell 50% here and still keep 50% because we never know what's going to happen short term, and ADA could pump instead of Litecoin first. So there it goes. Now we have a balance of 12,587 USD, and we will be selling some Binance to USD as well. Even though I'm very bullish on Binance, I think that should be going up a lot more very soon. Even though it's at a peak as well, it really hasn't surged in USD value like many of the other top 10 cryptocurrencies have. And I do think some news could break at any time for Binance BNB. Like I said, they have the Binance Smart Chain that's much more efficient and cheaper than the Ethereum blockchain, as well as many other reasons, and I will discuss that more in another video as well. So I'll only sell a very small amount here, and keep in mind I do have to hold that 500 BNB. So I'm just going to sell 100 BNB, which will give me 4,500 USD, and we're going to sell that on the market as well. So there we go. I now have a balance of $17,000 USD here, and now we're going to go over to the Litecoin USD pairing, and we will be buying up Litecoin here. So as you guys can see, Litecoin did have a small pullback, but I will be doing a full video on Litecoin and why I'm very bullish on this in the upcoming few weeks. And when PayPal launches merchant payments, I think Litecoin's going to explode in value. So I do want to have some Litecoin. I'm actually going to be buying some more Litecoin outside of this video as well for long-term holding, that I possibly will sell once PayPal launches merchant payments and if there's a huge spike. So I do want to buy Litecoin here, and we're going to be doing market just to make it instant here, and I will be doing around 75%, which is going to be around 85 Litecoin. And there it goes. We now have 85 Litecoin in my balance and still 4,120 USD left, which I said I'm going to be buying Atom. So the Atom USDT pairing, this actually went parabolic overnight. Unfortunately, I was going to do this video yesterday and I could have caught that pump, which is why I'm not going to put too much in it, but I am bullish on this short term as well, just because it has huge potential. But like I said, I left some in ADA and a lot in BNB just to be diversified and mitigate risk. So we're going to buy the rest of the USD balance with Atom, which is going to be around 413, buying that on the market. and there it goes. We now have 409, and we will discuss my final balances and what my plans are as well. Alright guys, so here's my final balance. As you guys can see, all the coins I'm holding, how many total balance, and the USD values. And I will be doing another update on this when I do see fit, and I do see some huge opportunities. So if Binance BNB has a good run in the next couple weeks, I will be selling more of that to Litecoin and possibly some other altcoins, and I will keep you guys updated with that. I am going to be buying some more Litecoin outside of this trading series as well, just to hold till the end of Q1 for that PayPal launch of merchant payments. So one last thing before we end this video, I've been getting endless comments asking about crypto taxes and how I do this. So I do want to let you guys know about my recommended crypto portfolio and tax tracker. There is a link to this in the video description that will give you 10% off using that link. It's a one-time payment per year, and you'll be able to instantly generate your tax reports whenever you want. You can also pay for the portfolio tracking, which is great because the API will connect to all your exchanges you use and wallets, and basically keep track of your daily profits and losses. This makes it much easier to keep track of things and give you a better idea of what you're doing in the crypto space. So one of the best sites, in my opinion, Coinbase just partnered with them as well, and you could connect your Coinbase account now. So definitely the best one in my opinion. Links to everything is in the video description. Everything I recommend I'm using in this video as well. I'm not trying to show you guys or promote these products too much, and if you do use any of these links, it does give me a small kickback, which I do appreciate, and makes this type of content possible. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found the video useful. Let me know what you're bullish on in the comments below for the short term. I would like to see what you guys think. Also, I'll have that Litecoin video coming out in the morning on why I'm so bullish for the short term with Litecoin. A lot of different news here that I do think will help the price rise and demand surge. Huge potential there for quick profits in my opinion. Also, I'll be doing my exit strategy for cryptocurrencies, showing you guys what my plans are, what percent I'm planning to sell at where. Having an exit strategy planned is very important if you do want to be very successful in crypto and any investment avenue. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.